Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome. And if you are not new, thank you for returning for another video. So I wanted to bring to you guys a New Year's Eve fun little look that you can do for your little New Year's Eve parties or sitting at home or whatever you want to do. And for this, I was trying to figure out which palette to use, and I figured I would use the one that I raved so highly about in my most recent video on the high-end luxury, palettes of 2018. So this is going to be done with the McGrath Mothership V palette, and I've also only given you guys one look with this palette on my channel, so I figured this was the perfect time to give you another one. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and see me use a couple other new products, then definitely stay tuned. So on my already primed face, I went in with the BlackUp Mattifying Tinted Moisturizer in the shade 05. MT05, whatever that means. And currently all BlackUp products are on sale on Sephora, and then I'm not sure if they still have the 20% off of everything on sale, but that was on sale when I picked it up, and I used a coupon code for that. So that is a mattifying tinted moisturizer. So I know some people on my channel like to use a more medium coverage to light coverage foundation, and that one is pretty good. This look came out very nicely, and it has some dewiness because of the primer that I used, but it has a nice light coverage, so you can do your spot concealing and in any areas where you need extra coverage, but it does a nice mattifying effect, and it balances to your skin tone pretty nicely. So on to the eyes. For the eyes, I went over, I created a nice wing with the Maybelline Eye Studio cream liner in the shade Eggplant. It's a nice purple cream eyeliner, so I built out a wing with that and carried that all the way to the inner corner as a nice base, okay? And then on the inner corner, I packed on top of the cream eyeliner Rose Gold 005, and on the center of the lid, I packed on Blitz Flame. And then on the outer corner, on that wing, to further intensify the wing and set that cream eyeliner, I went on top with Extreme Aubergine on a pointed brush so that I can really pack in that purple liner and build out and intensify that crease. And so once I packed on the Extreme Aubergine on top of the cream eyeliner, I took a fluffier brush and blew that out a little bit with a fluffier brush to make it more of a faded effect, so it's not such a harsh line. I liked it both ways. You can leave it for it to be very defined cat eye, a very defined eye look, but I wanted to blend it out for you guys so it's not so like editorial, so that it would be more wearable for you guys. So blended that out up into the crease. And then for the rest of the lid that really has no eyeshadow on it, I went in with Entrapment, and I blended that over just to make sure that there was some eyeshadow there so there won't be any creasing from my eyeshadow base, which was my Tarte Shape Tape. And blended that same Entrapment onto the into the transition area where the Extreme Aubergine is, so that it's a nice fade into the rest of the eye look. Okay, and then underneath the brow bone, I used Skin Show Divine Glow right underneath the arch and blended a little bit, right under the brow to give the brow more of a pop. And that's that. And then for the lower lash line, blended some of the Extreme Aubergine underneath my lash line and smoked it out with Entrapment. Put on liner lashes, or if you're wearing lashes, put on your lashes, liner, mascara, and you are good to go. Next, to finish out the face, okay, everything's done on the face, but to finish it out, I did want to show you guys this highlighter from BlackUp. It is called the Sublime Light, and it is in the shade SLP05. And so that has a very nice sheen to it, very nice pop, very nice and sheeny but not glittery. So I'm kind of moving away from the glittery highlights and looking more for the ones that give you more of a sheen and not glitter all over your face, because that looks crazy. For me. So anyways, so that's that. And this is the final look.